In this video, we bring you to Sabah tea plantations, Desa cattle farm at Kundasang to enjoy the cool weather and ice cream. And lastly, we end our day at Sungai Moroli to experience the natural fish spa. Hello, good morning. So we are in Breana this morning and now we are heading out for breakfast. It's around 7 a.m. in the morning and we have a lot of activities today. Our first stop is going to Sabah Tea Plantation. Hi, good morning. So we are at Sabah Tea Plantation now, but somehow today seems like I'm not sure whether it's open or not because today is actually something like a harvest day eve. So maybe a lot of them has gone back to for celebration to their hometown. That's why I don't see many people here, and I'm not even sure whether it's open or not. But the view here is definitely breathtaking. Just look at the view behind you. Yep, you can see the deep valley full of tea tree. Wow. The best frame ever. Okay, you're done. Wow. A very nice tree house with a suspension bridge connecting to each other, but sadly it is not open. I'm not too sure. Is it because of a public holiday or just it needs maintenance? This morning I'm going to taste the local fried kway teow. Yeah, because all the other food seems like too heavy, so I'm just going to try how it tastes like local here in Breana. Let's look at this. It looks promising. Taste is a bit strong. It was salty, savory. And what I like here is they always put a lot of vegetables, the bean sprout, and they don't mind really giving you a lot of these ingredients inside their food. That's really nice. Okay. I ordered this fried noodles. It's
bit wet version, savory and a bit sweet. Like the fruit salsa, not so sweet, it's more savory. And it has the cream, the char and three layer pork fried together.
Morning.
What are you eating?
Sticky rice.
It's a sticky rice. So it's in Chinese they call it lo mai gai, which is a glutinous rice with
Chicken.
chicken.
It really sticky.
Huh?
It melts in your mouth.
The chicken melts in your mouth. Then the rice definitely is sticky, right? So do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, so we need to drive through this chemically treated water to kill off any bacteria or germs that we may bring into the farm. It is seriously cold here. Much colder than Kudasan. Yeah, just look at the lodge
And the cat.
and the cabin. Just look at the cute mushroom. The view is fantastic. So we are here at Desa, at the farm, and you can see Mount Kinabalu over there, the other side. It is really windy and it's cold, so wrong choice of attire by wearing a jogging fast dry shirt. We are now at the dairy farm and testing the local ice cream. It's a natural yogurt, vanilla flavor. You definitely taste the yogurt. It's a bit sour, but it's really nice. It's creamy and what is this flavor?
And that's strawberry topping.
Raspberry topping.
Strawberry.
Strawberry topping, but it's still vanilla.
Yes.
Vanilla yogurt.
So
The strawberry topping is quite sweet, but if you mix around with the yogurt ice cream, then it's really nice. Its flavor, I think the best is all the same. They just have the vanilla and yogurt ice cream base, but you can choose different topping. And this one is the passion fruit.
they actually have two more flavors.
I can say that the best ice cream just mix very well with any type of topping. So this one is just a pure chocolate based ice cream, which is classical. Definitely, no one will miss any chocolate ice cream here. It's totally different. This is nice, even like with the taste, especially those pure cocoa. definitely come for this if you are in Desa cattle farm. Hanzel, what do you smell? Yep.
Little bit of lavender, man.
I suggest you come here early, especially on the holiday. Because look at the traffic built up here, and there's nowhere for you to make a U-turn. So we're back to the same restaurant again. Try more food because it really tastes good. So what do we have here today?
Tofu,
Sweet and spicy, sweet and sour,
sweet and sour fish,
chicken, fish,
and not so sure.
sweet and sour fish fillet.
And then
And this
money time.
this is the special tofu. And this one is a local vegetable, changkok manis, fried with egg. So which one is your favorite, Hanzel? Tofu?
Yeah.
And your next favorite? Sweet and sour fish.
No.
Are you sure vegetable is your second favorite?
This one I like.
So tofu rank first, then the
Yes.
changkok manis, and the fish fillet. Yep. So enjoy your food before our next destination, which is going to the
Fish.
Moroli Fish Spa for the second time. From the surface, it looks slightly sticky and it has very strong smell. It really tastes good. It's not as bad as durian. I don't know what is the name of it. Is it jackfruit? No, there's a seed inside. And you have to squeeze it up, see? Yep. Yeah, it's actually empty. It's like a pocket. You can put this in the fridge and it's cold. It tastes even better. Hi, hello. It's afternoon now, around 2:30. We finished our lunch and now finally we arrive at this Sungai Moroli. So we are now walking towards the Moroli River, which is around 200 meters further away than the ticketing counter. So this is the place, the Sungai Moroli Fish Spa. I always love the water here, the river in Sabah. You can see just how clear is it. So let's look at what other people do. Can you look at the size of the fish?
Can I catch one?
Cam, walk in.
Oh my goodness. No, 我怕。Hi. 你又很 excited 来？
Yep.
抓鱼。
Let's look at the size of the fish.
啊，这厉害
You help me to hold the camera,
Uh
so I will go and test
huh.
again. they coming?
Not sure.
Oh,
Hành thông ra. Hành thông ra cái sang chân sụp ra.
Okay. It feels so itchy. It really feels so itchy. See these two biting me? Wow, wow, wow. They're coming from front and back. Woo.
Hey, you catfish ah, Didi.
Hmm?
You catfish.
The big one. Yep, just look at how big is this one. Ooh.
Alpha.
Oh, the two alpha.
The real final boss.
Wow. Now we can see them clearer. Just look at the size of that. But I'm sure that the black one, the big one, won't bite you. But all these, you just look at this color. They are the one that will bite off your skin.
I'm going to miss the river here. Let's head back to Breana and call it day. See you guys tomorrow.
Really, it's fun. 太自由了，你头大很痒。
我不要了。
你这么没大，你不要 try。
也有不敢。